Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about what is numpy in Python. Okay, so numpy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It will help you to work with the arrays. Okay, so it also has a function for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform, and matrices. Okay, so these are the different kind of terms in which it can work. Okay, so linear algebra, Fourier transform, and matrices are the few kinds of terms that the numpy can work with. Okay, so numpy stands for numerical Python. Okay, so that is what numpy means. So in Python we have lists that serve the purpose of array, but they are slow to process. Okay, so we were having the serve of purpose of array, we were having the list of arrays, but they were slow to process. So numpy aims to provide an array object that is up to the 50% more faster than the traditional Python list. So numpy will help you to make your array more faster than it is actually. Okay, so this is how you can work with the help of numpy. It provide a lot of supporting function that make working with the arrays very easy. So arrays are very frequent and used in data science where speed and resources are very important. Because in the case of data science, we have to work very fast. We cannot wait for each data to load and everything. Okay, so that is how we can work with. Data science is the branch of computer science where we study how to store or use the analyzed data for driving information it. Okay. So why is NumPy faster than list? NumPy arrays are stored at the continuous place in memory unlike list. Okay. Processes can access and manipulate them very efficiently. So they are stored in continuous place. They are not like a place normally stored. It is in continuous space, so it will work again and again. Okay, continuously working for that. So the behavior is called the locality of reference in computer science. So these are the few kinds of introduction that is available in NumPy. You can just pause this video and read it again, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so these are the few kinds of details that is available. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you.